How does criminality affect immigration status and potential deportation from Canada? Having a criminal record, whether you're coming into Canada or you get that while staying inside of Canada, can have huge impacts on your immigration status. Depending on whether you're a temporary resident or a permanent resident, the impact of a criminal conviction can have very different types of consequences. If you're a temporary resident, meaning a study permit holder, a visitor visa holder, or a work permit holder, and you're given a criminal record, then you will be deported. If you're a permanent resident of Canada, depending on the type of conviction and the sentence entered, you may be forced to do an admissibility hearing where you could lose your PR. But again, depending on the sentence entered, you might be able to appeal that removal order, which is issued at the end of the. So clearly, there's a lot more protections and processes in place for permanent residents. It's important to understand that virtually just because you have an ability to fight doesn't mean you can always win. It's really important in those instances that you can demonstrate to the decision maker and all the parties involved that you have remorse, that you are on a good path towards rehabilitation, as well as other factors that are known as humanitarian and compassionate factors. We often find clients coming into our office who are work permit holders, temporary residents, and made a mistake, and now they're in front of the judge and the criminal system, and the lawyer ends up giving them really bad advice to plea out. It's really important that if you are a temporary resident, you get proper legal advice from an immigration lawyer so you can make the most informed decision on how to handle your matter.